Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Sign into Google Photos and decide which photo or album to share. First, select the items, tap and hold Photos or open the album. Once selected, tap the share icon at the top right. Google shows nearby options, but choose Create Link to make the only way shareable URL. You do this so anyone with the link can view. Make sure the selection is final before creating the link because it controls visibility for that set. Once done, Google Photos generates the link and displays a Copy Link button. Tap it to place the URL on your clipboard. If you prefer targeted sharing, use Add People to invite specific emails instead. This still creates link behavior for recipients. Make sure to check sharing options. Toggle comments or partner sharing if visible. These affect how recipients interact. If sharing an album, you can also enable collaborator options. To finish, paste the copied link into your message, email, or app and send. Recipients open the URL and view the photos without signing in many cases. When you want to stop access, open the same album or photo, go to sharing, and turn the link off. That immediately disables the URL. If someone reports they can't view, make sure you actually created a link, not just previewed share. Confirm the photo isn't in trash, and verify the recipient isn't blocked by account permissions. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.